Welcome back. In this video, we're gonna create the ViewHolder class. The ViewHolder class used to cache references to the views within an item layout so that they don't need to be repeatedly looked up during scrolling. Without a ViewHolder class, the adapter would need to find ViewById every time it needs to access a view within the layout, which can be expensive in terms of performance. So for that, we use the ViewHolder class. I'll start creating the ViewHolder class by private static class myViewHolder. Inside your adapter, you define a ViewHolder class that holds references to the views in the item layout. Go to the item layout, item list layout that we created before. We have two text views, and one image view. I need to make references here to these views. Text view, planet. Import the classes for the text view and the image view. Now, I want from you to focus with me. I need to implement the method and override the getView method. The getView method is a part of array adapter class and is used to create and return a view for a specific item in the list. Since we are extending array adapter, I need to override the getView. So type getView and click enter, and you can see this is our friend getView method. This getView method takes three parameters: the position, which is of type int, convert view, which is of type view, and parent, which is of type view group. We'll dive into these parameters in the following steps. I remove this return statement, and I'll start with getting the data item for the position. I'll use planet object equal to get item, and here I pass the position. The get item method is a method inherited from the array adapter class, and it's used to retrieve the data item, in this case the planet, associated with a specific position in the data list. And the position is the index of item for which you want to retrieve the corresponding planet object. The getItem method takes this index as an argument and returns the planet object located at the position in the data list provided to the adapter. So this object contains the data that needs to be displayed in the view. The second step is to inflate the layout. Here, we check if an existing view is being reused, otherwise inflate a new one. I'll start with a ViewHolder, my ViewHolder class instance. I'll create an instance from the view called result.